Well, today's not that great, but I'm gonna be rotating the tires. The reason I say it's not that great is one, it's raining. Can't really tell, but it's raining. Not that big of a deal, right? This is what it is, just water. I was gonna go to the hobby shop on base. That way I can use their lift. Obviously lifting is so much easier using your jacks. Because I only have one jack. Well, two. I got two jacks. You can see one right there. There's one back there as well. However, I do not have jack stands. So this is gonna be a process. I also don't have an impact because, you know, I don't know. I just haven't gotten it yet. So the process is gonna be fun, which I'll show you guys. But this is just a laugh at me kind of video as I get ready to rotate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack this up right here. And then I got the back already done because I had to use my what is it? The jack that comes with your vehicles. So I got the 3-tonner right here, and I got that little baby one back there. So I'm gonna raise this one up and then just swap pretty much just like that. Life would be so much easier if one, the hobby shop was open, but it's New Year's Day, so can't really blame them for that. Two, if I had these tools, but one of the big reasons is I'm going to be deploying in like a month and a half, so I don't want to go out and buy expensive stuff to have it just sit here and not be used, even though it'd be nice when I get back. But I don't know, I'll just buy all that stuff when I get back. It is what it is. So without further ado, we're going to get into this. All right, so like I said, I've already got the back one up just enough where I can get the tire off, and now I'm just going to crank this thing up. Just nice, easy pump. Make sure I got it right. Just enough to get that front tire off because I really need to rotate these bad boys. Haven't done it since, that was a nice loud noise. Haven't done it since we drove cross country from 29 Palms. Yeah. How we doing? Almost there. All right, should be good enough. Yeah, we can do one more. All right, let's get into this fun stuff. So move the jack over there. Yeah, whatever. Make sure you break your lugs before you raise it up. Because front tire is just gonna turn the whole time. Sometimes I don't like this ratchet. Yeah, leverage. Put her back up. I need new lugs, man. It's gnarly. This is where an impact coming super handy. Let's see, where's that? Damn. Did I not loosen this one? Apparently I didn't. That could have been interesting. Blam. Time's sake, we're gonna roll straight into the next one. So the back one's on. You can tell I'm out of breath because, yeah, no impact. And my torque only goes with the 100 feet-pounds, so, and I need about 140, so, sweet. Good times. One part is, still gotta do the other side. Here's what it is. Well, just know that you can do it even without your basic, very basic, because I got basic, your intermediate advanced tools. This star pattern kind of messes with me being 8 lugs. So if you see me jump around, like, oh, he didn't do that one that time. Well, this is why. I get a little lost. Oh damn, not bad. Miscount. So this is where impact would come in handy. I don't like Rams fucking wrench, man. Just doesn't want to seat. I need new wheels and tires anyways. Just need to get it on there. Do I need to spin on it?
Yeah, we're coming out.
Okay. What's up, dude? Just need to get it on there tight enough.
This is a rubber.
Yeah. Are you bugging mom? About to lose her patience again? Laura's back. bad boy.
Wait!
So, I'm still going to use this because I got it. But that way I know when it's at 100 feet pounds. So.
Glory power! Glory power!
That was interesting.
No, put a sweater on, it's cold.
I think it's slipping. I like that.
Now? Oh no.
It's cold. Put it on the arm.
Yeah.
Why did I not want to do that one yet? All right, one more run through. Oh, this one's slipping. I don't know why it's doing that. These lugs suck. Ram.
Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, Daddy.
All right.
Here we go, Daddy. Thanks.
Time for the fun part.
That's cool, Daddy.
Now this isn't proper because I don't have.
What was this?
I only have 150 pounds orange, like I said. So doing what I can. If anyone's using this as a guide,
Thanks.
not a mechanic,
Oh,
just learning as a.
okay. We'll put it right there, Daddy.
Oh,
That's getting your bumpers. Good.
There you go. To save time, this video isn't too long. I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll just wrap it up. See you on the other side. And we're all done. We're really winded after that one, just because I don't have, it's not necessary tools. They're just nice tools. They're nice to have. So that's it. Some of you are probably wondering, like, why am I doing, you know, basic videos like this? Anybody can do this. Realistically, anybody should be able to do this. But one, it gets me practice on talking to a camera by, you know, by real people. Even though I'm talking to you guys, but I'm still talking to a camera. And my boy right here, when he grows up, he sees these videos. One, his dad gets dirty, but two, I want to make sure he knows how to do this kind of stuff. Granted, he's only 3. He's a monster. Like, look how big this dude is. He's only 3. But later on down the road, when he gets older, I'm gonna teach him, and he has these videos to reference, just like some of you guys do. So I don't know what the next project is on the truck, minus a few badges, cosmetic stuff. Performance stuff's not gonna happen until after I get back from deployment. So, but that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. Peace.
Yeah.